Patrick, aka PQ. We're out here at a house in South Scottsdale to take a look at the air conditioner and clean up a few things. I've been with the Cooling and Plumbing Company over 11 years. I'm a master HVAC and plumbing technician. All right, let's go take a look at this thing. Summer's coming up and we're doing a lot of tune-ups on systems to keep them going through summer. This system definitely needs our help. There's quite a few things wrong here that we're going to take care of. First of all, the coils are pretty dirty. That goes for a lot of systems. We've also got a couple issues we're going to fix today. One is this gas line. It needs to be brought up to code. We're going to remove the flexible appliance whip here, and we're going to reroute the pipe so it can be strapped, and we're going to install a sediment tee right here. The thermostat wire is sun beaten, and at any point these could touch together and short it or cause any sort of issue with the unit. We're going to replace that and run it away from the sun as much as possible, which will probably involve routing it up under the unit and bringing it in here to look nice. As you can see, the electrical disconnect's just laying here loose on the roof, open to the elements. Water can short out the electrical, so we're not only going to replace this disconnect, we're going to extend the wiring so we can get it mounted up out of the way and help prevent any shorts. You can see here the gas line's not really accessible from the other side of the unit. We've got the valve here, yet it plugs in over there. Our electrical whip's here, and then they ran about 5 feet of pipe secured with what looks like electrical wiring. Definitely not to code. We're definitely going to start with the coil cleaning on this unit. I can see from here that the condenser coils are pretty dirty, and I'm sure the evaporative ones haven't been cleaned either. Once I get these panels off, we'll take a better look at how dirty these are. Coils are like the lungs of the system. They allow it to breathe, and when they get clogged up, they put strain on the compressor, the heart of the system. This system is pretty old though, and we're just trying to get a little more life out of it. In the future, when it's time to replace it, we're actually going to end up moving this whole thing down a little bit. We can get this roof jack and elbow moved down off the peak of the roof, and water can't collect here. You can see all this cracked tar that's definitely been causing the homeowner some issues over the years.